I saw a tweet by Hacksultan that got me thinking about all the amazing roles in tech. So I decided to make a Web3 version for those people that are currently considering the possible career paths to take. So if you're curious about different fields that exist in Web3 or basically what would best suit your interests, then this video is definitely for you. Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay, my name is Praise Emmanuel, and yeah, thank you so much for stopping to watch this video. Before I say anything else, if you are not subscribed to this channel, why? Please do well to subscribe to this channel. It will keep me encouraged to make more videos. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the different career paths that you can explore if you are trying to get into the Web3 space. Okay, there are so many of them, and I just want to give you ideas of what you can do based on your interest. Okay, all right, let's get into it. The first one, if you love aesthetics, then you should consider design in Web3. Now, when I say design in Web3, I'm talking about a lot of things because design is actually broad. There is graphic design, there is brand identity design, there is UI UX design. Those are the ones that are very popular in my head right now. And of course, there are several other design paths that you're going to explore along the way. But if you have a theme for aesthetics, let's say you see a flyer and then you can spot out some errors that were made in the flyer just by your instinct, just by looking at it, then maybe you should consider a career in design. Web3 design might just be the place for you to be. So if you like colors, you know how to combine colors together, you know how to make things look good, please explore one of the different career paths in design, and from there you start your journey. Okay, still aesthetics, but you want to write code, then maybe you should consider front-end development in Web3. Now, this is just building out the designed interface to life. So the designers have designed the interface. Your job is to build out those designs to life so that somebody can type on their browser www.something.com and then they see the website. A plus in that role is that you would have to integrate the blockchain and wallets into that particular application. So it's not just going to be the website. It's not just going to be like a normal website. Your website will be talking to the blockchain. It's going to be talking to smart contracts. So yeah, if you're interested in any of that, then maybe you should consider a career in front-end development. If you are a logical person, you like calculations, you're smart, you like reasoning, you like all of those things, then maybe you can consider a part in back-end development. Now, in Web3, back-end development is smart contract development, and there's another side to it. There's also like blockchain development, like core blockchain or core protocol engineering, but then smart contract development. So if you're someone that likes to think, you know how to do numbers together, you're very smart and you like all of those calculation stuff, you like logical things, then maybe you should consider a part in smart contract development, blockchain, core protocol engineering, something of that sort. But yeah, I think that's a good place to use that strength that you have. If you like data and calculations, then data science, data analytics could be the place for you to be in Web3. Of course, there are Web3 data analysts and of course data scientists and even data engineers. So if you already are on that path, or if you have a theme for data and calculations, then that could just be it for you. If you are the kind of person that likes being in charge, you are a natural leader, you know how to get people to get things done, then product manager could be your role. There's product manager, there's project manager, depending on the company, depending on the specific functionalities that the company requires. But then if you're somebody that you know how to get people to do things, you know how to ensure that everybody is doing what they are supposed to be doing when they are supposed to be doing it, you know how to get people to get an idea from thinking stage to implementation stage, like into the hands of the user, then you should consider product manager in Web3. That's actually a role that a lot of people are currently into, and you could also be one of them. If you care about security, like you like security, you like all of those kind of things, then cybersecurity is for you. In Web3, they have several branches. There's cybersecurity in Web3, smart contract security, smart contract auditing. There are different branches, but yes, cybersecurity could be your thing. Smart contract security, smart contract auditing, anything that has to do with security, that could just be your fault. But then it exists in Web3. Now this one is actually quite cute. If you have a thing for people, if you know how to deal with people, you like managing people, you like getting people to get things done, or generally if you care about people, then HR is for you. Human resource. There is also human resource in Web3 companies, so it comes in various forms: personnel managers, chief of staff, head of people, different roles, but they are doing the same thing. They are dealing with people. So if that is your thing, then of course you could explore that part. Other human resource, there are also other parts that are not mostly talked about. Things like hiring managers, things like talent sourcers, things like personnel managers, all of those things that have to do with people. That could just be the role that you enjoy. So yeah, you should explore it. If you like thinking of ways to make something better, then you could explore growth management roles. You're going to be bringing out strategies that will help the company achieve their goals or make more impact or make more money, whatever. But then growth management is a thing in Web3. It comes in different forms. But yeah, you should just research about it and see how you can get started. Now, another people-related role. If you know how to manage people, you know how to engage communities, you like you don't mind engaging with a lot of people, answering questions, supporting people in a community, then community manager could be your role, because you'll be doing a lot of people interaction. So if you're somebody that you're very comfortable with people, then there's community manager for you to explore. So if you are an inquisitive person, you're very curious, you like research, there are actually research roles in Web3. It comes in different forms, but then there's Web3 researchers, or depending on the field or the blockchain that you're going to be working with. But I'm just trying to tell you that research is actually a role. Like, researchers are actually sought after in different blockchains, so you can actually explore that. If you like events, like you like anything that has to do with events, gatherings, then there are several roles that you can explore in that regard. From event host to event planner, down to event managers, all of those are roles that exist in Web3. So you just look for a blockchain that you like to work with and explore how you can get in and offer those services to them. And you're in business. So yeah, if you like all of those kind of things, you like events and all of that, then explore those parts. Video editors are not left out. So whether you're a motion graphics person or whether you're a video editor, there are a lot of companies that are looking for people that have those skills, because they are trying to reach out to more people. Yeah, so you have something to do. If that is your strength, then find a way to offer your services to these companies. So motion graphics designer, video editors, cinematographer, animators, all of those things, there is space for you in Web3. Of course, how can I forget marketing? These Web3 companies are also trying to make money. So they're trying to sell their products, they're trying to get more users, more customers. So of course they need marketers. So whether Web3 marketing, whether sales, customer support, all of those related skills are also needed in Web3. So marketing, sales, all of those stuffs. Administrators as well, they need administrators in the teams. So yeah, you could come in with those roles and contribute to the ecosystem. If you like to write, please, you're welcome in the Web3 space. So writing in different forms, content writers, technical writers, thread writers. If you have a skill in writing, whether you're technical or non-technical, there is space for you. So all of you that are writers, or you have a thing for writing, or you know how to write, bring those skills into Web3. And last but not the least, content creators. So whether you are a content creator, whether you're a content writer, if you are a creative in general, there's space for you in Web3 space. Like I said, all of these projects are trying to gain more users. They're trying to attract more people to know them, to use them, to interact with them, so that they can make money. So if you know how to put out their stuff, how to put out their business in a creative way that will bring them more users, that will bring them more engagement, then you're in business. So yeah, if you have any of those skills, then there's a space for you in Web3 as well. If you know how to make connections and you're business savvy, then of course there's business development roles available for you. So you bring in partnerships for the organization to drive sales. All of those business development related roles, they exist in Web3. So yeah, you could explore that if that is your thing. I can go on and on and on, but I think I've been able to show you that in Web3, so many roles are also needed. So it doesn't just have to be developers. In fact, developers are the ones that will build the products, but after building the product, they need to get the product into the hands of the users, and they will need a lot of people to actually achieve that. So whatever skill you have, find a way to make your research to see how you can actually come in. Because interestingly, even people that are entertainers are not left out. We have Web3 entertainers, we have people that sing, we have people that rap, we have people that dance. All of those skills are needed in Web3. There's so many of them, I can't even list all of them. But yeah, I'm just trying to tell you that there is no skill that is too strange or that is too out of the box. Just ask questions, make your research, and see how you can come in with your interest into the Web3 space. And I'm sure you'll find something. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be more than willing to help you, or at least find people that will give you the answers that you need. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please do well to subscribe so that you can get notified when I make new videos. Don't forget to share this video, and of course don't forget to like this video as well, so that the YouTube algorithm would show it to more people. All right, that will be all for now. Bye.